Today, we're diving into a world where the supernatural meets spectacular storytelling. Yep, we're heading to the Mizuki Shigeru Museum in Sakeminato, Japan, the ultimate destination for fans of yokai, manga, and all things spooky fun. Just a 10-minute stroll from JR Sakeminato Station. Let's step inside and unlock the magical world of manga. Here, you'll rediscover Mizuki's masterpieces, the ones that made us laugh, gasp, and maybe sleep with the lights on. From epic battles to hilarious yokai antics, it's a treasure trove of his greatest hits. Whether you're a lifelong fan or just meeting Kotaro for the first time, this section will reel you in. Next, sneak a peek into Mizuki Shigeru's workroom. This is a perfect replica of his workspace in Chofu City, Tokyo, where the magic happened. What's that next door? It's a yokai apartment. In Non Nonba to Ori, which means Grandma Non Non. And you'll discover the everyday yokai that inspired young Mizuki's wild imagination. Grandma Non Non's ghost stories weren't just bedtime tales, they were the spark that ignited a lifelong passion. It's heartwarming, a little spooky, and totally fascinating. Ready to get your scare on? Welcome to the Yokai Cave. This dark, mysterious tunnel is filled with monsters that look like they're about to leap out and say boo. Grab an audio guide, available in English and Chinese, to dive deeper into the legends behind each creature. Trust me, the more you know, the creepier it gets. Now it's time to hit the museum shop. This place is packed with goodies you can't find anywhere else. Pin badges, postcards, and maybe even a little yokai of your own to take home. So whether you're a manga maniac, a yokai enthusiast, or just looking for a quirky adventure, the Mizuki Shigeru Museum is a must-visit. Open year-round from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., and with tickets starting at just 700 yen for adults, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Thanks for joining us on this spooky, spectacular tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more weird and wonderful adventures from trip lovers.